Papa, what are you doing?
I'm looking for the cat.
You're delusional.
I'm not delusional. There's a cat under here.
There's not a cat in here.
Yeah, there is. I saw it with my own 2 eyes.
Papa, you need to get your eye glasses checked.
Can you crawl under there?
No.
Okay, come on, just a little further. You see anything?
Papa, I think I'm stuck.
You're not stuck.
Okay. I didn't see anything.
But I'm telling you, I saw it. It ran this way. Had a fluffy butt.
It's kind of spooky on the hill.
You think there's bats?
No. Papa Bear, there's no bats and no cats.
I'm telling you what I saw.
Peep, peep, poo.
It's up under here somewhere. Maybe, I don't know.
Papa Bear needs a gap. There's nothing on there.
Why should I give up? I saw it.
Papa Bear,
Yes,
you need to get some sleep.
but maybe you're right.
I can't say right. I always right.
Well, I give up. I'm Papa Bear.
I'm Ellie.
And this has been
The Papa Bear and Melody Show.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.